Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error when setting up a printer or scanner that says the setup was incomplete because of a metered connection. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by right-clicking on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Select the Bluetooth and Devices option on the left side, and then on the right, go where it says Printers and Scanners, and go ahead and left click on that. Underneath Printer Preferences, where it says Download Drivers and Device Software over Metered Connections, go ahead and toggle that to the off position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.